Well, good morning, everybody. I am doing a quick review of the Leica Q3, which I recently got and have had some experience with, and I just wanted to speak to it real fast. Number one, best thing about it, compact point and shoot. Throw it in your bag and you're ready to go. I store it upside down, facing down, just the way that the shutter sits, something that I saw on YouTube. This is a pre-owned Leica Q3, so it already comes with the thumb grip, which I believe this one's from Leica. That's what it says, from Leica. And then I think this is from eBay, from what I could tell, the shutter. So far, the camera is very solid feeling. Obviously, coming from Leica, I don't expect anything less than it. This is the 28. And of course, it's got multiple modes. Pretty bird. Of course, you can set it to macro, focus here. You can set it to macro, change the different modes. You can also adjust to where it's not on autofocus by pressing this in, and then you're able to move and adjust. If you want it back on autofocus, it locks in place right here. So turning it on, this has the latest firmware on it. Pretty clear. I have the grid on, and obviously the level is on as well. The autofocus is a little slow from what I've seen so far. Not too terrible, but it's a little slow. It could be a little bit faster. So overall, I'm very impressed with Leica because of the solid feel. You can just tell that it's solid. Just the sound. It is weather sealed. That's the biggest thing for me. If I'm out on the motorcycle, I'd be worried that some rain's going to hit me and it's going to mess it up. So it does not have a mic jack. I'm not crazy about that, but the 8K video is very good on this. Quiet, you. The 8K video is really good. Change modes of the video here. I will get it a little bit clearer. So you press, there you go, press the button on this side and you're able to switch to video, and press it again and it's back on audio. So it's 28 millimeters. However, you are able to zoom in because it's a 60 megabyte sensor, the same as the M11. And I have the M11 and I absolutely love, absolutely love the M11. It just feels more like an actual photographer. I have to do the manual adjustments, which to me is awesome. It's just the feel of it. It's frustrating at times when I'm trying to do faster shots with the M11, but having the ability to actually do, what are you doing to me? to take those shots and actually have to focus and get everything dialed in. I shoot a lot on automatic. There's some circumstances I'll use the histogram and shoot otherwise. So I'm trying not to get distracted because my parrot is trying to eat my neck right now. Anyways, overall, real light, real compact. The battery lasts all day. I will show you some of the shots that I get on it later on. These are first impressions. There will be more videos to follow. Thanks, guys, and I will see you soon. Look forward to a comparison between this and the M11.